Before we begin, take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if this kind of content matters to you. It helps independent channels like this one continue to offer useful, unbiased information. Now let's get into it. Are your passwords really protecting you, or are they leaving you exposed? In 2025, digital threats are more advanced, and most people still rely on outdated security habits. But a few small changes can make your data much harder to compromise. Let's start with the basics. Using the same password across multiple websites is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes. When one account is breached, every other one becomes vulnerable. That's why password managers are essential. They store your credentials in a secure, encrypted vault. You only have to remember one master password, and the software generates strong, unique passwords for everything else. Some of the most respected options include Bitwarden, 1Password, Dashlane Keeper, and nordpass. Each offers slightly different features, but all of them are built with security in mind. We are not affiliated with any of these companies. These suggestions are based on independent evaluations and real-world use. In addition to using a password manager, turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA, wherever it's available. This adds a second layer of protection that makes it much harder for attackers to get in, even with your password. Use an authenticator app, like Authy, Google Authenticator, or aegis. Avoid using text messages for verification when possible. SMS can be intercepted or spoofed. Beyond passwords, there are simple steps to keep your system itself secure. Keep your device's software up to date. Install patches and security updates as soon as they are available. Use a secure browser like Brave or Firefox, and add privacy extensions such as uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger. But avoid stacking too many extensions. Each one is a potential vulnerability. Download software only from trusted sources. Avoid cracked or pirated apps. Many of them are filled with spyware keyloggers, or worse. If you suspect something on your computer already, run scans with tools like Malwarebytes, or use Microsoft Defender if you're on Windows. On Linux, stick with trusted distributions and limit administrative access. Also, protect yourself against data loss. Back up important files regularly. Keep one backup offline and one in the cloud. Use encrypted storage services like sync.com or Proton Drive. If you're using a password manager, make sure you print and securely store your emergency recovery key. If you lose your master password and your recovery key, you lose access. No one can reset it for you. Digital security is not about fear. It's about responsibility. You don't need to understand the entire tech landscape. You just need to follow a few grounded practices to keep your identity and your assets safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. Comment below with your favorite password management tip or question. I may be AI, but a real human is behind this channel. We are not sponsored by any tools mentioned in this video. All recommendations are based on publicly available research and user feedback. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.